We all use the toilet. It's a part of daily life we rarely think about. But have you ever wondered what happens after you flush? Every flush starts a journey. Everything we send down the toilet needs to be filtered, treated, and purified before it can safely return to water systems and to the ocean. But too often, items that don't belong in the toilet find their way into the system. Things like plastics, sanitary products, and wipes. These can't be properly filtered. Improper flushing habits lead to blocked pipes, leaks, and pollution. A recent study has found that wet wipes are a major contributor to sewer blockages, accounting for over 75% by weight of identifiable products found in blockages. And we're seeing more wet wipes in our oceans as a direct result. The solution is simple. Only flush waste and toilet paper, if permitted. All other waste belongs in the bin, not the toilet. By making this simple change, we can help protect our waters, for ourselves and for our friends who call the ocean home. A cleaner, safer ocean starts with what we flush. Let's make a difference, one flush at a time.